This ranch seasoning blend is so versatile, you'll want to double or even triple the recipe. I use it in everything from salad dressings and dips to casseroles, roasted veggies, and meats. This homemade ranch seasoning mix is a total game changer. I like to store my homemade seasoning mixes in glass jars to keep them dry and fresh, and always ready to go whenever I need to add a little extra flavor to a dish. Just add the ingredients, screw on the lid, and give it a shake. That's it. Done in 5 minutes. Here's the quick recipe. 3 tablespoons of dried parsley, 1 tablespoon each of dried dill, garlic powder and onion powder, 2 teaspoons of dried chives, and 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. That's it, and you probably already have these in your spice cabinet already. One of the best parts of making your own ranch seasoning mix is there are no preservatives, no weird fillers you can't pronounce, and no excess salt, just real ingredients and bold flavor. Want more garlic? Go ahead and add it. Prefer more Italian seasoning? Toss it in. Don't like something? Leave it out. Make it your own. This recipe is just a starting point. Customize it to match your taste. Best part? You'll never have to waste half-used bottles of store-bought salad dressing again. Just mix up what you need when you need it. For a low-fat version, swap in Greek yogurt or low-fat sour cream. It's fresh, easy, and tastes so much better than anything you can buy. This blend isn't just for salad dressing, although it makes an incredible one. You can use it in all sorts of dishes, like creamy ranch dips, compound butter to melt over meats or veggies, crispy ranch chicken thighs, cheesy ranch chicken casserole, oven-roasted ranch veggies and potatoes, easy, slow cooker ranch chicken and potatoes, or anything else that needs a little extra zing. It's the ultimate flavor booster that's easy, convenient, and always on hand to add a special touch to your meals. And that's it, your very own homemade ranch seasoning mix, and a bunch of easy, flavorful ways to use it. Whether you're tossing it into casseroles, seasoning your veggies, or whipping up a quick dip, this blend will quickly become your go-to kitchen staple. No more mystery ingredients or wasted bottles of dressing, just real flavor, made your way in minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description below for all the recipes I mentioned. Thanks for hanging out with me in the kitchen. Now go sprinkle a little ranch magic on something delicious.